video. Today we're playing a game called The Wolf Simulator or whatever. I am here joined with my best friend Oliver Cookson. Say hi.
Hello.
And I've never played the game before. Ollie has, so he's going to be showing me around.
Rohan, what is your name, by the way?
No, Rohan Rules.
Okay.
It just says respawning. Okay, I'm alive. I'm a grey wolf. How do I move? How did I sit down? What?
I can't find your name.
Ollie?
Yeah.
I'm in a glowing beam of light.
Okay.
Keyboard.
I think you should be in a glowing beam of light.
Give me a second, guys. Movement. How do I move?
There's a circle at the bottom left of your screen and a little circle inside that, and that's how you move around.
It won't work. I'm trying. That's moving my camera around. What?
Are you in Coop?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to find you.
Guys. I think I see you. You're a male, level 3, 480 health.
I'm level 9.
Oh.
And I got 812 health.
What?
I leveled my character's health up very high.
Wait, what? I'll be right back, guys. I eat it. Oh, guys, I'm back, by the way. I figured out how to move. I just needed to load up. Wait, did I eat it?
No, you kill it for XP, and if you get enough XP, then you can change level.
But won't I starve to death or something?
The black bear. There's a black bear.
Oh, there's a bunch of rats. That's weird. Hey, guys, by the way. Oh, rats give me more experience than bunnies.
Me and my pack are just chasing this Adax champion. What's the Adax? Well, whatever it is, we killed it.
Oh, Ollie. I'm
Oh, black bear. Jesus.
I wish I could be in the dark forest with you.
Yeah, you need to go to level 10.
Well, I'm not very much that high yet. I'm level 1.
Black bear was like 150 health. No, 1,500 health, and we killed it.
Yo, these raccoons have a lot of health. The raccoon's doing so much damage to me. Die, raccoon. Don't you dare.
Wild goats.
Yo! I got like 400 XP for killing a raccoon.
Yay. I think it's because raccoons can fight back. So animals that can fight back have more XP. I like being a wolf.
I upgraded my health, attack, and speed. Is that good?
I heard a bull noise. I hope it's not like a giant bull. Oh, there's some flying thing. Flying thing. Oh, falcon. Kill the falcon.
Please say you are raccoons. Yes, raccoon. Come fight me. Give your experience.
Fight me, idiot.
Oh, I'm fighting too. Oh, my health.
Why?
Oh, I leveled up. What does that mean?
If you go to level 5, you can do PvP. And if you go to level 10, you can go to Dark Forest.
Double claw. Nice. I unlocked summon. Good double claw. What's that? More
Oh,
health.
black hair killed someone.
Nice. circle. What are the white circles, Ollie?
I killed a weasel.
What are the white circles?
They're other animals that are not wolves.
Oh,
And
okay.
if they're small, then they're little things like rats or bunnies. And if they're big, then they're like bears.
I think I'm gonna die to this moose thing.
And Anteater is doing a lot of damage.
I was killed by a moose.
Oh yeah, mooses do quite a bit of damage. But if you level up your wolf, like if you level up its health or its attack, then
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
you can basically maul it to death.
Come here, sheep. Oh, sheeps are easy to kill.
Oh yeah, in that land you have sheep. In this land we have wild goats.
Oh, that sheep gave me a lot of experience. Come here, sheep.
Okay, there's only 4 of us for some reason. Where's the other 3? Okay, now there's 2 of us.
Someone died to a raccoon.
Okay, 3 of us can't kill the bat there. Okay, no, oh god, now. Oh gosh! He killed me!
Yay.
You say yay to die.
No, I said yay because I found a big animal.
Oh my god, a bison! In your land you actually have bulls. In this land we have bison.
Wait, where's a bull? I want to fight a bull. Go in.
You have to be kind of strong to fight a bull.
Oh.
I thought you'd be on the big TV.
Playing this new game, recording a video. Oh, I see the moose that killed me.
Yeah, it's best to have a couple flashlights around it.
Why is it on full health again?
Oh, it's because your health can regenerate.
Wait, so if I run away, my health will regen?
Yeah, but kind of slow. Falcon. Falcon. Oh, Blackbear, Jesus. Killing my friends. Don't believe it. Blackbear died. Go fight some more stuff.
I leveled up.
Yay, what level are you now?
Level 3.
Okay.
An alpha is calling. What does that mean? Ollie, come join me. This deer is chasing a player, and I'm chasing the deer that's chasing a player. Amazing.
My squad is killing this bear.
Wait, why is there a bear there?
Oh no, in your land you have grizzly bears, in this land we have black bears.
Oh.
We killed it, yay! Black bears are really strong. They have like 1,500 health. Another black bear, kill it. Kill the black bear.
I'm fighting a grizzly bear. He's really strong.
It is chasing me. It is chasing me. It is trying to kill me.
This black bear is ridiculously strong.
Alfred, get out.
I was killed by a grizzly bear. Ollie, Come join me. I need help and assistance, and the fans really want you to join me.
Okay. Alright. Don't you leave mine. Right, I need to add you as a friend.
How do you do that?
I need you to go back to lobby.
How do I do that?
Well, on your screen there should be a picture of your wolf growling.
Okay, yeah, I did that.
That.
Mm.
Now in the top right corner you should see like an exit button.
Yeah, I pressed that.
Are you in the lobby now?
I'm in customize.
Oh yeah, that's the lobby. On the right hand corner you should see social. Click on that.
Mhm.
Now you should see a button called add friends.
Yeah.
You click on that,
Mhm.
and then now you need to tap on enter player ID or in game.
Yeah. Yeah, I've done that.
Now type in Oliver.
Oliver.
Now press submit.
Email address or player ID doesn't exist. Is it in capitals?
Hang on. Right, I don't know how to do this now.
Just read out your player ID.
I don't know what player ID 17
17 here. 13.
68
68.
87.
87. Is that it?
Yeah.
Submit. You've successfully sent.
Yay!
Yay, Oliver. Okay, if I press play, do I go on Green Hills again?
Your
Okay.
server is the US for some reason.
Well, that sucks. Guys, I'm not American.
Your server is in the US for some reason.
Well, I'm in England.
Yeah. Alright, so I need to find you now.
Oh, I'm still loading in.
Oh.
Oliver has joined Coop Game. I'm in a cave. Oh, I see you. Hi, Ollie. I'm here.
Where are you? Rohan!
Hello, buddy.
Die, Rohan.
Okay, can we go kill the grizzly bear for experience?
We need to find it first.
I know where it is.
You? Oh, let's go then.
Are you following me?
Oh, no, the brown wolf.
Okay.
No, Rohan, let's stick with these wolves. Oh, I want to stay in a pack because then we can easily kill things.
Wait, Ollie. I'm going to the grizzly bear. I know where he is.
Well, I'm over here fighting a brown wolf. Actually, no, I'm gonna follow you to help you.
I'm tracing a fox.
Kill the fox.
Oh, it gave me 300 experience.
Yeah, the foxes make weird noises.
Okay, guys, we're gonna end the video here, and part 2 will be, well, us killing the grizzly bear. Bye.